Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot cocoa drink. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. You'll also need 2 cups of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract is a wonderful addition for extra depth. Now, let's get mixing. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to bring out the chocolate flavor. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. This crucial step ensures there are no lumps when you add the milk, giving you a perfectly smooth and delightful hot cocoa. Next, slowly pour your 2 cups of milk into the saucepan with the dry mixture. Place the pan over medium heat. It's important to stir continuously as the mixture heats up. Keep stirring until the hot cocoa is steaming and hot, but be careful not to let it come to a rolling boil. Gentle heating ensures a rich, creamy texture without scorching the milk. Once your hot cocoa is perfectly heated, remove it from the stove. Now is the time to stir in that 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of deliciousness. Carefully pour your steaming hot cocoa into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of mini marshmallows. Enjoy your homemade, comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.